Welcome to this video, guys. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to implement the if function. What is the if function? If you want to find out how are we going to solve this, then please stay tuned to this wonderful video. Right, welcome back, guys. What is the if function? The if function is like a question. One should look at the if function and ask themselves a question. Like, let's say a question which, in this instance, that we need to fill in column D. So in column D, it states that a yes or no answer must appear in this column. So it states that we're gonna utilize the sales figures which are in column C rather. So in column C, we're gonna utilize it, and the statement reads follows. It states, use the if function to determine if a salesperson should receive commission. A commission is paid if the sales figures are more than 4,000 rands. Okay, look at this. How are we gonna implement this? I'm gonna go through this step by step, guys. Okay, here it is. The first thing, for you to implement this, you need to put an equal sign first. And they've told us to utilize the if function. So we're gonna type in if function, open bracket. Okay, this is I'm gonna teach you two ways of doing this. So this is the first way of doing this, and I'm gonna teach you the other way. Okay, this is the first way. So the if function, open bracket. So your logical test states, what is your logical test? Your logical test is like a question where it's like a question, you're asking yourself a question. So in this instance, the question is, tell us whether the sales figures are more than 4,000. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna click on this sales figure, which is in C6. Okay, and then the greater than sign, then type in 4,000. Okay, semicolon. Look at this. This is a question. You're asking yourself a question whether C6 rather is bigger than 4,000. It's a question. What did I say? An if statement is like a question which has both a negative answer and a positive answer. So we go on to the positive answer of the question. Okay, look at this, guys. The first part is the positive side. So if the answer is positive, if C6 is bigger than 4,000, our answer must be yes. So if the value is true, the answer must be yes. So you wanna type in yes in what? In inverted commas. Sorry guys, in inverted commas, semicolon, and then the next one. The other side of the question is the negative side, which states if the answer is wrong or if the answer is false, we must put a negative. We must put no into the value if false. So we're gonna put inverted commas, then no, close inverted commas, close bracket, then enter. So as it states here, C6 is less than 4,000 rands, as we see. So we're gonna autofill this, brother. So here are our answers. Look at this. Look at these answers, guys. Quite easy. It's simple, guys. Okay, let's move on to the other side, or the other method. Okay, the other one, we are being told to use the if function and the contents of D to calculate the commission of 15% on the sales figures. What are you gonna do? There are two ways. I said there are two ways of doing it. So with this one, you're gonna type in what? Your equal sign, go to your formulas, then look for the logical functions icon, then the if one. So something will pop up. Then after that thing, gonna go it through step by step. So it clearly states that the logical test is any value or expression that can be evaluated rather to true or false. These are your things rather. So what did I say to you? It's a question. Is it? It's a question. So in this instance, you're gonna ask yourself a question. So you're gonna tell us if D6 is yes. If D6 is yes, so you're gonna go to D6. Okay? And D6. If D6 is yes, then you're gonna type in the equal sign. Then inverted commas. Yes. Close inverted commas. Okay, it's a statement or expression or whatever you want to call it, right? It's a statement. You're asking yourself a question. You're asking yourself a question that is D6 yes, is cell 6 yes. Okay, you go to the first part of the question, which is the positive answer or the positive side of the question rather. Okay, they said to us if D6 is yes, the sales figures are gonna be multiplied by 15%. So you're gonna go to the sales figures, click on the sales figures, then multiply them by 15%. 15%. There's your 15%. This is for value if true. Okay. For this one, if the value is false, then the value must be 0. Okay. Then you're gonna click on OK. So as we see, as we look at this, our value, this thing states no, so it's 0, and we're gonna autofill this, and there are your answers. Okay, simple, plain, it's easy, guys. Look at this. Okay, what's the first step for you to calculate this thing, or what's the easier way of completing this thing? I said to you guys that the if function is a question. It's a question that has two answers. It's either the answer is positive or negative. Okay, so look at my statement here and how we got to the answers. This is how we implement the if function, guys. Okay, I hope you understood the video. I hope you understood the concept that we implemented here. I hope you understand the if function. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to this channel, to this educational channel. Thank you, guys.